You're listening to Hackers IRL. We're the people the news pretends are a single character. We are not. We pop shells, walk our dogs, fight with our printers, and somehow ship the work. This show is voicemails. Brain dumps from our side of the wire about whatever's on our minds. The line stays open. Up next, Panda with Assura Incorporated, the superheroes of cybersecurity. Here's their story.
Hey guys, it's Panda. I'm having a good first day of HackSpaceCon so far. In the morning, I got up and let people in. Last night I was able to get most of the Wi-Fi stuff set up, but it was pretty crazy. There was a lot of construction going on. We were told a while back that I guess there was going to be a small construction project, and we got on site, and it's quite a little bit bigger. It doesn't affect any of the rooms we're in at all, but like I did have to figure out how to run wires through a construction site, and I got all dressed up in my AT&T gear and hard hat to make the foreman happy while I walked through the very not dangerous site. But anyway, yeah, it's been a silly and fun day. I had to work a little bit today too, and really just today is everybody getting in. The volunteers, prepping, staging, bags and badges and everything. There's a lot of cool stuff to come around that, and our first two paid training classes were kicking off today. So the Wi-Fi and everything was set up for them, and stuff seems to be going well. I'm actually just taking a break right now, walking my dog around the hotel, and basically, I need to figure out dinner, and then I'm doing some satellite hacking training. Super excited for that course. It'll be in about an hour, and then I'll probably have some more work and probably just hang out with friends until bed. The pool here is amazing, and the weather is so good this year. I know that there's going to be a lot of hackers just chilling in the kind of the pool area, hacking on things late into the night. There's already a couple CTFs open. Shout out HackSpaceCon. There's so much good stuff this year, so I hope everyone has a really good time with it. And yeah, talk to you all later. Have a great one, and if you're here, say hi. Bye.
Thanks for listening to Hackers IRL. Background music is Simplicity by Macroform. If you've got a story of your own, a breach, a leak, a close call, or just something on your mind, join us. Call 904-915-HACK. That's 904-915-4225. Up to 10 minutes. Choose to preserve your OPSEC, and we distort your voice before anyone hears it. End of transmission.